Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2022 Topps Chrome Update Baseball Hobby, 6-box break number 7, pick your team. We have Aaron K, Mariners, A's, Andy K, Padres, Barton L, Pirates, Chris A, Mets, Chung C, Rangers, Courtney C, Rockies, Giants, Edward P, Dodgers, Yankees, Eric B, Rays, Gary A, Marlins, Hunter K, Brewers, Jacob C, Tigers, James P, Cubs, Guardians, Jonathan B, Orioles, Justin L, Red Sox, Kota H, Blue Jays, Matt M, Twins, Nathan H, Royals, D-backs, Nick P, White Sox, Robert F, Astros, Nationals, Robert S, Reds, Cy W, Braves, Tyler S, Cardinals, Victor F, Phillies, and Yuki S, Angels. All right, here we go. Good luck. Let's stay hot. First break was really good. Second break was bananas. Paul Goldschmidt, All-Star, and Iglesias. Seiya Suzuki, rookie. CJ Abrams, rookie. Bradish. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie. Tatis and Duffy. Correa, Walsh. Jordan. Lodolo, Nick Allen, and Owen Miller. That is gold to 50. Guardians. Jarren Duran. There's Wander, rookie debut. There's Anderson Severino. Helio Ramos and Roberto Perez. Nick Lodolo, rookie debut, purple. Stanton. Donaldson and Cruz. Stephen Kwan, rookie debut. Brian Lavastida. Jack Sawinski, Diaz. Thomas. Jarren Duran, MJ Melendez. Stephen Kwan, rookie. Contreras. Kevin Smith, Ethan Roberts. Rogers Hornsby, Bryson Stott, rookie purple. Arias, Brandon Marsh. Wander generation now. MJ Melendez, rookie debut purple. Silseth and JP Sears. All right. Verlander, MJ Melendez, rookie purple. J-Rod, rookie debut, purple. Eddie Murray, Joe Ryan, rookie debut, purple. Arias. There's Hunter Green, rookie. Jose Azocar. Devers and Nick Allen. Vidal Brujan, rookie debut, purple. Mookie All-Star from Winker. Guillorme. Jeremy Pena, rookie. Smiley. Romero. Suarez. Hunter Green. There's J-Rod generation now. And Kevin Smith. Cooper Hummel. Arcia. Shane McClanahan. Wander rookie debut, purple. Jose Miranda and Simon Muzziotti. Hey, you're welcome. Appreciate you joining, Brandon. Suzuki, Frank Thomas, and Joan Duran, rookie purple. I appreciate the bold prediction as well. Mackenzie Gore and Alex Fado. Bo Bichette, Seth Lugo. So at some point over the next 2.5 hours or so, I'll have to jump over to, there's J-Rod rookie and Pirates rookie auto, Cam Aldred. You go Pittsburgh. We'll have to jump over to just the LSE baseball channel. The breaks will run into the start of tonight's 10 Box Tuesday breaks. There's CJ Abrams, rookie purple. Vlad, Martin Perez. Rene Pinto. Miranda, Chipper. Jeremy Pena, rookie. Rylan Bannon. Palacios, CJ Abrams. J-Rod, rookie debut. All right. Box number 3. PC issues. That sucks. It's Cortez. Jerks and Profar. Tom Seaver. In which product, Jonathan? Is that Greinke? He's a redemption in some products, and some he's live. Jordan, there's Seiya Suzuki, rookie purple. Tapia. I'm not sure. I haven't pulled one yet, I don't think, Jonathan. Kinsey Gore, Thomas, Araya. Yeah, I'm down to pull a super. Nick Pivetta, 199, blue refractor. O'Neill Cruz, Abrams. Logan Webb. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie debut. Vlad. Jose Miranda. Nick Lodolo. Wilson Contreras. Andrew McCutchen. Mel Ott. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie purple. Adam Engel. Kinsey Gore and Sean Doolittle. Royce Lewis. Kyle Schwarber. Castillo. Stephen Kwan, rookie debut purple. Lucius Fox. Rylan Bannon, rookie. Oh, rookie purple, sorry. Kirby. Jack Sawinski, rookie purple. Jeremy Pena, rookie debut purple. Spencer Torkelson, generation now, and Alec Thomas, rookie debut purple. Richie Palacios. All right. 3 boxes to go. Samuel, he might be booking his flight right now. He hit the 1/1 Roderick Arias first Bowman Superfractor. There's Chris Bryant. Jacob Stallings. I wasn't going to answer for him, but I figured it's been a few minutes. Probably not in the chat now. VR. Jeremy Pena, rookie debut. Bannon. Nick Lodolo, rookie purple. Hunter Green. J-Rod, rookie debut. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie debut. Mark Nacho and Jeremy Pena, rookie debut Aqua. There you go. Nice one, Astros. This is 250. Veda. Excuse me. You're doing ranch stuff? Mookie. Lucius Fox. George Kirby. There's Wander. Jaron Duran. Royce Lewis, rookie debut purple. Oh, nice. Altuve, Pineda. Austin Meadows. CJ Abrams, Alec Thomas. Jock Peterson. CJ Abrams, Ramos. Freddie Freeman. Ian Happ. Oh, Savali. Cole Sands. Warren Spahn. Mackenzie Gore, rookie debut purple. Shane Baz. Stephen Kwan, rookie. Hunter Green, rookie. And Brendan Donovan, rookie purple. I grew up on farms, Brandon, and I didn't mind the cows. Not a fan of sheep though. Or goats, really. Arenado, Kosuke Kato, rookie purple. Bryson Stott. Christy Mathewson. Marcus Stroman. Bo Bichette. Helio Ramos, rookie purple. Goats are jerks. It's Edward Cabrera. Joe Musgrove. Chase Silseth. Oh, nice. Josh Rojas. Joe Dunnan. Gucci. Yeah, there's some stuff I miss about the farm life, and most definitely some I don't. CJ Abrams. Spencer Torkelson. Actually, my least favorite thing was mowing pastures. Like, I didn't mind mowing, but mowing pastures. There's Royce Lewis, rookie purple. Like, you're just going and going and going all day. And then about anywhere from every 10 minutes to 3 hours, you'll hit something. There's Gabriel Arias, rookie purple. It just scared me out of my skin. It's Bob Gibson, Albert Pujols, purple. Helio Ramos, Josh Lowe. You're just like kicking back, chilling. This is before everybody had earbuds and cell phones. There's Royce Lewis, J-Rod, Generation Now rookie. So you're just like alone with your thoughts and the sound of the tractor in nature, and then all of a sudden it sounds like a car accident under your mower. There's Pirates rookie auto, Roansy Contreras. Diego Castillo, rookie purple. No, not the stuff I drove. They just had rust. Didn't have GPS or AC or radio. Just rust. Gary Sanchez. Yeah. It's Jeremy Pena. Eddie Matthews. Spencer Torkelson, rookie purple. I need more of that now. Tyler Naquin. Tatis. Rougned Odor. Brandon, did you ever do detasseling? That was the first job I ever did that I actually got paid for. Actually, my first year of doing it was the flood of '93. Some of those fields were a little rough. There's Stephen Kwan, rookie debut. Yep. Wake up at 3 in the morning, there's Jack Sawinski. Meet the crew at like, I think it was like 5:15, 5:30. Brian Lavastida. And they take us on school buses out to the fields. Sometimes it'd be like an hour away. There's Stephen Kwan, rookie. Kinsey Gore. A lot of people didn't like it. I actually liked that work. And I wouldn't now, but it's Joe Ryan, Darren Duran. That was, gosh, that was almost 30 years ago. It's nuts. Acuna, Bryson Stott, rookie purple. There's Jurickson Profar, X-Fractor, Padres. It's to 99. And Brandon Marsh, rookie debut, purple. Ricky, MJ Melendez. Grew up doing dairy. It's JP Sears. Spencer Torkelson, William Woods. Yeah, I'm going to be 44 a week from tomorrow. It's Francisco Morales. That should be a fun day. We've got Finest and Flawless releasing that day. There's Wander rookie debut. Joan Duran and Severino. Joe Morgan. Jesse Winker, Nick Lodolo, rookie debut, purple. Yeah, I don't like taking off on my birthdays. Unless I have like some specific plans, but I don't want to just sit around the house and Ethan Roberts. Thumbs up, happy birthday messages on Facebook all day. There's Shohei Ohtani All-Star, Bryson Stott, rookie debut, purple. Do a quick recap here at the end. There's Matt Chapman. O'Neill Cruz, debut, Mike Trout. Bo Brieske. Rowdy Tellez. Devers, there's Spencer Torkelson, rookie debut, purple. And rookie, purple, Stephen Kwan. Nice one on the back. All right, just a few cards to show off here. We had Astros, rookie Aqua to 250, Jeremy Pena. And then Pirates rookie autos, Roansy Contreras and Cam Aldred. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. 6 box number 8 is up next.